guys, so in today's video we're going to discuss about Nostradamus, guys. So he's a prophecy. So he predicts the future, guys. I'll tell you a short history about him, guys. So he was born on 1503, the year 1503, and he died on 1566. So in this period of time, he predicted many things that happened even in the present days. So now I'm going to tell you about him. So if you give him a short history on him, he studies well, guys, reads many books, and his prophecies or his predictions were not based on the planet's movement. You might have heard about Josium, a very famous prediction in India, guys. India and Tamil Nadu, many people might know that. But he did it based on history repeats itself. So if I give you an example, first Gandhiji was a person who did non-violent thing, and then Martin Luther King did it, and he thought that in a certain period of time, different people made different histories throughout the world history. So I will explain you in brief, guys. So now let's go into the video. So guys, as I told you guys, Nostradamus was a prophecy, and he wrote a book based on it in the language French, guys. And if I tell you about the book in short terms, it was like all the prediction he did was like a quote or a phrase or a question, maybe, or a phrase or a question or a riddle, guys. So his theories were still doubtable, but it happened, guys. Most of his theories happened, and interesting thing about it that he wrote the history till only the year 3700, guys. And another interesting thing that most of his prophecies were successful and happened during the future. And the last interesting thing was that, guys, which was very crazy, which I heard, that he predicted his own deaths, guys. So some people might think that he might have suicided the day, and the people wouldn't believe in that. But let's go into the theories, guys, and then let's find what really happened, what really he wrote, and what really happened in the day what he told. The first main prediction he did was calendar, guys. So in the 16th century, when he lived 15 to 16th century, 1500 to 1600, 1st March was taken as the first day of the year. So in the first day of the year, okay, guys. So still it was not 1st January, the first day of the year, guys. But Nostradamus always started the starting of the year in January 1, guys, when he was writing his book or writing any theories on it, guys. But in 1578, when he died and after, the people in France wanted to change the date into January 1, guys. But very late in the 17th century, the Britishers came and changed the date, guys. This is one of the predictions he did. Now we'll go into the second one. So the second prediction he did, guys, was kind of simple, because it's human's nature, guys. I'll tell you, but it's pretty great, guys. He also gave some dates of it. He told that two of the powerful countries in the world will go into war. One will win, and the next 100 years it will be the most powerful country in the world. Have a guess, guys. I'll give you 5 seconds. You got be true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guess who guessed USA is correct. So in the Second World War, not even the first one, the Second World War, the United States of America won by putting missiles into Hiroshima and Nagasaki and ended it. And for the next 100 years, as he told, it was still 2040, guys. As we know now, also in 2020, US and China are one of the powerful countries, and US is obviously the powerful one. He told that till 2040, US will be the powerful country, and who knows after that. So that is the second prediction I told you, guys. The third one I'm going to tell you now. So guys, the third prediction he done was very crazy, guys. So the third prediction is that a boy will be born. He'll be in the poor. The third prediction is very crazy, guys. So he tells that a boy will be born. he will be there in the poorest of the poor. He will grow poor, but he will make his country look back at him. He will be a hero for his country, but a villain for others. And he will take his country for he'll make his country as the strongest country, but in the end his country will be destroyed. So you might have known this country, and you might have known this person. It is Adolf Hitler. So Hitler is a dictator. So he is very powerful, but he was born as a poor, and he also died. He suicided himself for his pride. So this is very serious, guys. So it is a very great prediction, because a person in the 1500s predicted a person in the 1900s. So that sounds crazy, guys. Now we'll go for the fourth prediction. And guys, before we go to the next one, I'm gonna say a very interesting thing about it, guys. But in the German edition of the Nostradamus book, guys, Hitler got scared hearing this, and what he did, he rewrote that the German army will win. But eventually German army actually lost, but Hitler rewrote it because he also thought that Nostradamus things were real. So that is one of the very interesting things that I saw in the internet, guys. So now we'll go for the fourth one. Now, guys, we'll go to the fourth prediction, guys. Fourth prediction is also quite interesting, guys. So he has predicted that 2 rocks will be destroyed due to a bird hits it. So this sounds like something lame, guys, but it really happened. He told that this will happen in 1999, which is 1999, guys. But it didn't happen. But it happened in, guess what, 2001. So maybe you found this, guys. The plane hit the Twin Towers and the Trade Center, guys. So that is why he has put it in his prediction, guys, which happened. And as I told you before, his predictions its predictions will be right, but his maths calculation is not that good. The reason is that his maths calculation, he only does his calculation. He does not give his calculation to anyone. So that is one reason, guys, in his problem. But it became a lot big issue, guys, because the year he said 1999 was there in a second 1,000 years of the AD, but 2001 is the third 1,000 years. So 1,000 years is calculated as a millennia. Okay, guys. So that made a big issue. All the people in America or USA got scared hearing this. In 1999, but they were happy after that. But the next 2 years, the Twin Towers were hit by Osama bin Laden, I think so. I don't know, but still, yeah, guys, this is one of the prediction, guys. So we'll go into the next one. So guys, we'll take more predictions, guys, today. So it's kind of fun to hear a lot of predictions done by Nostradamus, guys. And the fifth one he has done is that he has told many earthquakes will occur between the years of 2018 and 2025, guys, which is very crazy because as we know, there are lot of earthquakes occurring this time, although it's not occurring in India, and we in Delhi and places like Gujarat, it's prone to earthquake, and earthquakes happen quite frequently, guys. And another prediction he has done is that, guys, he is told that global warming will occur. The days will be getting hotter and the nights will be getting colder, which is another very good prediction, guys, because in the 1500s, who would have thought that these things will happen? So that's a good prediction, guys. So that is all for the fifth prediction, guys. Now we go to the sixth one. So guys, the last and the final prediction is of an Indian prediction, guys. Before that, I'll just tell you a short thing, guys, that he had predicted that Donald Trump will win the election, the last election, not the 2021. Before that, he had predicted that before, and he had predicted that Barack Obama will also be the president. And an interesting thing that he told that he will be the last black president, but that like sounds very hard, guys, because now only like George Floyd, Americans fought for George Floyd, who was like not given equality by a police officer, so a cops. So now it's like a little, not good for to hear that, but still, as he told that every prediction cannot be right, or every date of the prediction cannot be right. So yeah, guys, now we'll go into the next one. So the next one is that, guys, is of an Indian prediction. In the year of 2018, as he told, in the year of 2018 to 2025, the world will go into World War III, guys. And I think so it's US and China if it really happens, guys. Leave in the comments what do you think. That is one of the prediction, guys. And the second thing, that a person will be born in a peninsula. So you know what is a peninsula, right, guys? So it's a place with three water bodies and fourth which is covered with the land, guys. So India is a peninsula, guys. You can take, if it's India, it's India. If it's South India, it's South India. You can take anything like that. Or if it's Saudi Arabia, you can take anything like that. So he has told that in the place like that, a man will be born. First, his state will be in his back. First, next his country will be in his back. Next, whole Asia will be in his back, and Russia will also be in his back, and he will bring peace to the whole world. So this is one of the predictions he made, guys. So hope so to meet the person, guys. So that is all for today, guys. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope so you like this video. Thank you all. Bye.